How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I just got my first major media pass to a larger event, and that's Hotpit Autofest Round 2, all the way out in Kern County, right outside of Bakersfield. I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, drove 2.5 hours. We just had the media meeting, and then they're about to start practice right now. And then there's eliminations, and then we have an hour break, and then the actual event starts, top 32, at around 2 o'clock. They gave us a shot list for this, so we have to get them like drift shots, shots of the models, shots of spectators, shots of the drivers, things like that. So we're gonna try to do our best to get them what they need, and then hopefully get invited back. I hope I do well. I'm gonna take you guys over to practice, see what kind of cool shots we can get and what spots we can find. Drivers meeting done, media meeting done. They're about to start practice right now. Yeah, so we're gonna try to get a few shots of that, and then they have eliminations and then top 32 after. We have a few breaks in between, so I'll check in with you guys during those. But this is pretty cool. This shit's a lot of fun. Being this close with no fence is awesome. So they just wrapped up practice. They're about to get into deathmatch battles soon, but first they have the NASCAR stuff going first, and then deathmatch battles, hour break. I'll keep you guys updated. This is pretty fun. I'm right next to the track. Battles are over. We found some pretty cool spots for the actual event when it starts. Playing right now, get some lunch, we have about an hour, and then try to go over to the spectator area, and then the actual qualifiers, not qualifiers, the top 32 start at 2 o'clock. So gonna try to knock out some of the vendor stuff after lunch, and then work our way back over to this side of the track. But first, food. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the announcers are going, but the spectator area, there's no one here yet. I assume people are going to show up closer to nighttime. The vendors weren't all set up, show cars weren't out yet, so we came back to this side of the track. And we're going to try to get some shots. The top 32 is starting right now. See how this goes. So top 32 down, I'm already worn out. We haven't even gotten to the top 16. We have about an hour left, and then I'm gonna head out to the beginning of the top 16. I'm gonna head out to the spectator side, try to see if I can get some vendor shots, some of the model shots, the show car shots, all of that, and then finish the top 16 on the spectator side. The sun's going down behind the bleachers, so I don't want to shoot into the sun like we were at the end of the top 32. And then on top of that, the opening ceremony is right after the top 16, and that's going to be facing the stadium as well. So we still got 6 more hours of working today, so wish me luck. I hope this goes well. I'll see you guys over the spectator area.
The racetrack. Welcome everybody.
Just finished top 16, and we did like a driver meet and greet thing. Didn't know that was happening. We have a 2-hour break while they do their circle track stuff, and then we have, I think, like driver intros, and then top 8, top 4, and then the finals. That starts at about 8:45, so we're not going to be done until 10 or so, and then 2.5 hour drive home. So we'll get there. Really quick, Editor Sean here. I didn't take a whole lot of photos during the top 8 and the top 4. I focused mainly on video. So enjoy this B-roll sequence that I put together of the entire event. It's mostly top 8 and top 4 footage. And then afterwards, I'll take you guys over to the podium, show you the shots I did there, and then wrap it up in the car. Back to the video.
Ready? No, not yet. He is shaking. Shake it, bro. Shake
Did I just watch?
How much you get paid for that?
Yeah, you know. We're back in the car. That may have been like the most fun / craziest event thing I've ever attended. I got to go places that most people don't get to. I got hit with champagne during the podium. If you can't tell, I'm super tired. I've been up for 18 hours working, so I got another 2-hour drive back home. Like, subscribe if you like the content. I'm gonna do another one of these for the next event in 2 months, I believe, and then of course I'm gonna go shoot some other stuff. I think I got invited back to the Costa Mesa Speedway also, so I got more content for you guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.